In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location targeting in Google Ads. If you're running a campaign and want to make sure your ads are only shown in the places that matter to your business, this quick walkthrough will help you adjust your targeting with confidence. From your Google Ads dashboard, start by clicking Campaigns on the left-hand side. This takes you to your list of campaigns and their settings. Make sure you have the campaign you want to work on selected. Then look for locations. Selecting locations opens the area where all your geographic targeting for the chosen campaign is managed. Here, you'll see the list of locations that are currently included for that campaign. Think of this as your live map of where your ads are eligible to appear. It's a great place to review whether the coverage matches your goals, whether that's focusing on a few cities or reaching a broader region. Take a moment to scan the list and confirm that everything you're seeing reflects where you want your ads to be active. To add new locations, look for the pen icon. Click it to open the editor. In the field that appears, enter the locations you want to target. You can type the name of a city, region, or country, and then select the correct option from the suggestions that appear. Make sure you pick the exact match for what you need, so your ads show in the right places. If you're refining an existing strategy, add only the locations that align with your campaign's audience and budget so you don't dilute performance. If you need to remove locations, go back to the list and use the checkboxes next to the places you want to take out. Once you've checked the ones you want to remove, look for the context bar that appears. Click Edit and then choose Remove. This action trims your targeting so your ads no longer serve in those selected areas. It's a simple way to eliminate underperforming regions or to tighten your focus when you want more efficient results. And there you go. You've seen how to review your current coverage, add new places using the pen icon, and remove locations using the checkboxes and the edit option. That's all you need to make clean, targeted adjustments that keep your ads showing where they can make the most impact. Keep refining based on performance, and you'll maintain a location strategy that supports your goals.